Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 1 Accounting for Share Capital. From the exercise, today let us start question number 5. Question 5. Vaidya Limited Company of Nadiyad issued 7,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and the amount thereon was payable as under. Rupees 3 per share on application, rupees 4 per share on allotment, rupees 3 per share on first and final call. Company received applications for 7,50,000 shares and all the applicants were allotted shares. Amount due on allotment and calls were called at appropriate time and were all received on due days. Pass journal entries for above transaction in the books of company. Now answer part. Necessary calculation is here. At the time of application, number of shares 7,50,000, amount of installment 3 rupees. So at the time of application 7,50,000 into 3. So total amount 22,50,000. At the time of allotment 7,50,000 number of shares, amount of installment 4 rupees. So 7,50,000 into 4 is equal to 30 lakh. First and final call, number of shares 7,50,000, amount of installment 3 rupees. So total amount 22,50,000. Now journal entries of Vaidya Limited. First journal entry, bank account debit 22,50,000 to equity share application account 22,50,000. Being money received on application for 7,50,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Second journal entry, equity share application account debit 22,50,000 to equity share capital account 22,50,000. Being transfer for share application money to share capital account in respect of share allotted. Third journal entry, equity share allotment account debit 30 lakh to equity share capital account 30 lakh. Being allotment money due on 7,50,000 shares at rupees 4 per share. Fourth journal entry, bank account debit 30 lakh to equity share allotment account 30 lakh. Being allotment money received. Fifth journal entry, equity share first and final call account debit to equity share capital account 22,50,000. Being amount due on first and final call at rupees 3 per share on 7,50,000 shares. Bank account debit 22,50,000 to equity share first and final call account 22,50,000. Being amount received on first and final call. So this way our question number 5 is over. Now question number 6. Authorized capital of Marwada Limited of Himatnagar was divided into 4 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Out of this, company issued 3 lakh equity shares. Amount called up per share was as under. Rupees 4 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 3 on final call. Company received application for 3,60,000 shares. Excess application were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded to applicants. All the sums due on allotment and final call were received in full except final call on 2,000 equity share held by Asha. Pass journal entries in the book of company to record above transaction. Also prepare equity share capital account, equity share application account, equity share allotment account and equity share final call account. Now, answer part. First of all, necessary calculation. On application 3,60,000 shares into rupees 4 is equal to 14,40,000 rupees. Minus rejected application 60,000 shares multiplied by 4 rupees is equal to 2,40,000. 14 lakh 40,000 minus 2 lakh 40,000 is equal to 12 lakh share capital. Now at the time of allotment, on allotment 3 lakh share into 3 rupees is equal to 9 lakh rupees. On final call 3 lakh shares into 3 rupees is equal to 9 lakh rupees. And minus call in arrears 2000 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 6,000 rupees. 9 lakh minus 6,000 is equal to bank account 8 lakh 94,000. Now, journal entries of Marwada Limited. Bank account debit 14 lakh 40,000 to equity share application account 14 lakh 40,000. Being money received on application for 3 lakh 60,000 shares at rupees 4 per share. Second journal entry, equity share application account debit 14 lakh 40,000 to equity share capital account 12 lakh to bank account 2 lakh 40,000. Being the amount of sanctioned 3 lakh equity share application money transferred to capital account and the amount refunded on rejected application of 60,000 equity shares. Third journal entry, equity share application account debit 9 lakh to equity share capital account 9 lakh. Being allotment money due on 3 lakh equity shares at rupees 3 per share. Fourth, bank account debit 9 lakh to equity share allotment account 9 lakh, being allotment money received. Fifth one, equity share final call account debit 9 lakh to equity share capital account 9 lakh, being the amount due on final call at rupees 3 per share on 3 lakh equity shares. Bank account debit 12 lakh 98,000 shares into 3, debit 8 lakh 94,000. Call in arrears account debit 6,000 to equity share final call 9 lakh, being full amount received of equity share final call money on all share except on 2,000 shares of ASA. Now equity share capital account. Debit side date, particular, ledger folio and amount. Credit side date, particular, ledger folio and amount. Debit side we write here by equity share application account 12 lakh credit side, by equity share allotment account 9 lakh credit side, by equity share final account 9 lakh credit side. Total amount of credit side is 30 lakh. Now this 30 lakh transferred to balance carry forward at debit side. Now equity share application account. Debit side date, particular, ledger folio and amount rupees. Credit side date, particular, ledger folio and amount rupees. Now here debit side we write to equity share capital account 12 lakh and to bank account 2 lakh 40,000. Total amounts 14 lakh 40,000 by bank account credit side 14 lakh 40,000. Now equity share allotment account. Debit side we write date, particular, ledger folio and amount. Credit side write date, particular, ledger folio and amount. Here equity share capital account debit side 9 lakh and by bank account credit side 9 lakh. Equity share final call account. Debit side we have to write to equity share capital account 9 lakh and credit side by bank account 8 lakh 94,000 and by call in arrears account 6,000. So total 9 lakh is there. So this way our question number 6 is over. Now question number 7. Pagedar Sugar Limited of Nagpur issued 12 lakh equity shares in the public of rupees 10 each. Company received application for 13 lakh 50,000 shares. Shares were allotted at a meeting of board of director. Excess share application were rejected and amount received thereon was refunded. Amount called up against the share was as under. On application rupees 2.50 per share. On allotment rupees 2.50 per share. On first call rupees 2 per share. On final call rupees 3 per share. Aishwarya, who was allotted 960 shares, could not pay first call and final call money, where Vinay, who was allotted 1200 shares, could not pay final call money. Except this, all sums due from other shareholders were received. Aishwarya and Vinay had paid their arrears amount to company afterwards. Pass necessary journal entries to record above transactions in the books of company without giving effect of interest. So now answer part. First of all, necessary calculations. On application 13,50,000 shares into 2.50. So total amount 33,75,000. Minus rejected application 1,50,000 shares 2.50 is equal to 3,75,000. So share capital 30 lakh. 33,75,000 minus 3,75,000 is equal to share capital 30 lakh. On allotment 12 lakh share multiplied by 2.50 is equal to 30 lakh. On first call 12 lakh share into 2 rupees is equal to 24 lakh minus call in arrears 960 shares multiplied by 2 rupees is equal to 1920. 24 lakh minus 1920. So bank account 23 lakh 98,080 rupees. On final call 12 lakh shares into 3 rupees is equal to 36 lakh. Minus call in arrears 960 plus 1200. 2160 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 6480. 36 lakh minus 6480 is equal to bank account 35 lakh 93,520. Now journal entries of Pagedar Sugar Limited. Bank account debit 33 lakh 75,000 to equity share application account 33 lakh 75,000. Being money received on application for 13 lakh 50,000 shares at 2.50 per share. Second journal entry, equity share application account debit 33 lakh 75,000 to equity share capital account 30 lakh to bank account 3 lakh 75,000. Being the amount of sanctioned 12 lakh equity shares application money transferred to capital account and the amount refunded on rejected application of 1,50,000 equity shares. Third journal entry, equity share allotment account debit 30 lakh to equity share capital account 30 lakh. Being allotment money due on 12 lakh equity share at rupees 2.50 per share. Bank account debit 30 lakh to equity share allotment account 30 lakh. Being allotment money received. Equity share first call account debit 24 lakh to equity share capital account 24 lakh. Being the amount due on first call of 2 per share on 12 lakh equity shares. Bank account debit 11 lakh 99,040 shares into 2 is equal to 23 lakh 98,080 rupees. Call in arrears account 960 shares into 2 is equal to 1,920. To equity share first call account 24 lakh. Being full amount received of equity share first call money on all shares except on 960 shares of Aishwarya. Equity share final call account debit 36 lakh to equity share capital account 36 lakh. Being the amount due on final call at rupees 3 per share on 12 lakh equity shares. Bank account 11 lakh 97,840 shares into rupees 3. Account debit 35 lakh 93,520 rupees. Call in arrears account 2,160 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 6,480. To equity share final call account 36 lakh. Being full amount received of equity share final call money on all shares except on 960 shares of Aishwarya and 1200 shares of Vinay. Bank account debit 8,400 to call in arrears account 8,400. Being call in arrears money received from Aishwarya and Vinay. This way our question number 7 is over. Now question number 8. Chaudhary Agro Company of Vyara issued 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each to public company called rupees 3 per share on application rupees 4 per share on allotment and rupees 3 per share on first and final call. Company received application for 5,75,000 equity share from public. Access applications were rejected and money paid on them was refunded. Viral, who had applied for 2,000 shares, had paid full amount rupees 10 per share along with application. Company had allotted him all the shares applied for. Yagnesh, who was allotted 2,500 shares, had paid amount due on first and final call along with share allotment money. Except this amount due on allotment and call were duly received from time to time. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of company for above transaction. Now answer part. Necessary calculations. On application, 5,75,000 shares into rupees 3 is equal to 17,25,000. Amount for allotment, Viral, at the time of application, access amount for allotment Viral for 2,000 shares into rupees 4 is equal to 8,000 rupees. For first and final call, 2,000 shares into rupees 3 is equal to rupees 6,000. Bank account debit 17,25,000 plus 8,000 plus 6,000 is equal to bank account 17,39,000 minus rejected application 75,000 shares into 3 rupees is equal to 2,25,000 rupees. On allotment, 5 lakh shares into rupees 4 is equal to 20 lakh. Plus at the time of allotment access amount for first and final call, Yagnesh, 2,500 shares into rupees 3 is equal to 7,500. 20 lakh plus 7,500 is equal to 20 lakh 7,500 minus allotment money received on application Viral 2,000 shares into 4 rupees is equal to 8,000 rupees. 20 lakh 7,500 minus 8,000 is equal to bank account 19 lakh 99,500. On first and final call, 5 lakh shares into rupees 3 is equal to 15 lakh. Minus pre-received on application Viral 2,000 shares into rupees 3 is equal to 6,000. Minus pre-received on allotment Yagnesh 2,500 shares into rupees 3 is equal to 7,500. 15 lakh minus 6,000 minus 7,500. It means 15 lakh minus 13,500 is equal to bank account 14 lakh 86,500. Now, journal entries of Chaudhary Agro Company. Bank account debit 17,39,000 to equity share application account 17,39,000. Being the amount received on 5,75,000 shares at rupees 3 each and received share amount in advance on 2,000 shares of Viral at rupees 7 on application. Equity share application account debit 17,39,000 to equity share capital account 5 lakh shares into rupees 3 is equal to 15 lakh. To pre-received equity share allotment account 2,000 shares into rupees 4 is equal to 8,000. To call in advance account 2,000 share into 3 is equal to 6,000. To bank account 75,000 shares into 3, 2,25,000. Being amount of sanctioned 5 lakh equity share application money transfer to equity account and access amount received from Viral transferring to allotment account and call in advance account while access 75,000 share applications money refunded. Equity share allotment account debit 20 lakh to equity share capital account 20 lakh. Being the amount becomes due on 5 lakh equity share at rupees 4 per share. Bank account debit 20 lakh called up minus 8,000 advance plus 7,500 advance received. Account debit 19 lakh 99,500. Pre-received equity share allotment account debit 8,000. To equity share allotment account 20 lakh. To call in advance account 2,500 shares into rupees 3, 7,500. Being Entry for receipt of full amount of equity share allotment money due less advance of rupees 8,000 received from Viral and plus call money of 7,500 rupees received in advance from Yagnesh. Now fifth journal entry, equity share first and final call account debit 15 lakh to equity share capital account 15 lakh, being the amount becomes due on 5 lakh equity shares at rupees 3 per share. Sixth journal entry, bank account 15 lakh minus 13,500 debit 14 lakh 86,500, coal in arrears account 6,000 plus 7,500 13,500 to equity share first and final call account 15 lakh, being equity for receipt of equity share first and final call money on all share except advance. So this way our question number 8 is over. Thank you very much.